joint. He coughed and soon he felt regret, just screaming, what's the point? And every time he saw this girl, his face would turn to red. Even though he told the guys he got her into bed. But when you see him at the table, he turns out to be rather stable. And when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance.
If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off the table like everybody? Yo.
Where we all came from, the dreams we